my channel. Don't mind my hair right now. We're gonna be filming how to style slick bun tutorial. Currently it is my favorite go-to hairstyle. There is, however, only one condition that I personally need to have in order to create slick bun, and that is for my hair to be as oily and greasy as possible. So this is my hair, I think on day 3 or 4, I don't know, and it's the best because then my hair is so much easier to style, and also because of the amount of hair gel I'm using, I want to wash it off, you know, the same night. Honestly, it's no rocket science, so don't even expect this video to be long and super explanatory. First, I take my Denim brush, special brush for curly hair, and I just brush my hair because look at this right now. This is not okay. We do not clean this hair.
From the earth to the stars, and if you stand in my way, your words will mean nothing.
I personally like to separate my hair in the middle because it just suits my my face, I guess, but it's up to you, whatever you want to do. This is what I do. I try not to brush my hair unless I'm doing this hairstyle because, you know, my hair looks very frizzy after I brush. So I take my first hair tie. I say my first because there will be a few, and I just put my hair in a ponytail very low. I hope you guys can see because I can't see with my back, but I hope you can see well enough. As this is our first step, it's quite important that our base is gonna be good. Otherwise, it will fail. Now I'm gonna apply hair gel. I use Got2b glue. It is important to fix my hair so that we don't have to redo it. Take a bit, spread it. It's very strong, so just a little bit all over your head is honestly enough. Oh, I applied too much. Okay, but it's okay. We're gonna brush it off, so it's all gonna be good. You can use any hair gel. I just happen to have Got2b glue. Then I take my brush again to just brush it one more time, you know? Okay. Alright. I'm gonna add a bit here as well of leftover hair gel. Okay, looks really good. Look at this, so cute. Next, I take my hair and kind of like roll it like this so that it's easier to put it in the bun. Then I roll it around so that it fits in the bun. Yay! Then I take another hair tie and I put it around this bun. So that it holds. But there are some pieces, as you can see, that are out. So what I usually like to do is I take a very thick, big hair tie so that it holds it all together. So I put it on top of that, and that is all. That's it. You know, I have a few flyaways here, and how I like to fix them, also like maybe somewhere down here, is I like to take a toothbrush, obviously clean one. I did not brush my teeth with this and then put it on my hair. I take again my hair gel, Got2b glue, just a little bit. Okay, something like this. Then I kind of spread it with my finger, you know. So, and then I try to tame my flyaways.
I'm a second push through you. I'm a second push through you.
And this is why I think having dirty hair helps a lot, because it's so much easier to style your hair this way when they're not freshly washed, you know. And I see a bit here. I know you guys probably cannot see, but I see it, and perfectionist in me wants to apply just a little bit. Depends on your hair gel, but with got to be glue, definitely a little goes a long way. And it's better to add more later than to start off with a lot and then it looks too gluey, you know. We do not want that. Okay. So this sums up my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this short but sweet video about my slick hair bun, this hairstyle that I love currently and that is trending, let's be honest. Clean girl look is trending, so you might want to recreate this. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, click that bell to get notified about my new videos. And if you want to see kind of clean girl makeup look, I did it like at the end of the year. Before it was called no makeup, now it's like clean girl makeup, but it's all the same. So if you haven't seen that, I'll leave it up here so you can go check it out as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you. Bye.
Some people have to say how they want you to take the next 10 steps of your